Hi guys, Lulu here, and I'm so excited to share with you our Boho Butterfly Locs. These are 12 inches in Bronde, and I love these locks. They are beautiful. Here's a close-up. So for the base, I have done, first of all, let me say please, my hair was a mess. I didn't get to re-braid them. I had crochets in before I took them out, and here we are. But we're going to do 8 going backwards, and in the front, we're going to have 12 individuals, 6 on each side, and in the middle parting we're going to do a row of 2, one behind the other. We're going to join the cane rows up at the back and we're going to get going. So to crochet in, you're going to insert the crochet needle, hook on the lock, pull it through, put the lock back onto the latch, pull it through the loop, and then you're going to tighten, and there you have one installed. Here it is again. Latch in onto the lock, close it, pull through, and latch on, pull it through. Voila, that's how you do it. We're going to space them around about an inch apart at the back, at the nape, and through to the crown of the head. We may wish to do them closer together as we get past the crown and towards the front hairline. I tried to install them in like a brickwork pattern, which means that the lock above the row beneath is in each gap. So we're not doing them uniformed in rows. We're going to scatter them about, so it's like a brickwork pattern. And here we go, I'm just speeding through. Just a quick check. Love it. And as we get to the hairline, we can go a little bit closer together. So these are how you do the individuals. You're going to get the loop and you're going to make it slightly larger by pulling the lock section down. So we've got a larger loop now. We're going to go in as we did before, latch on to the hook and close. Pull it through. Latch on to the end of the lock and pull that through the loop. So now we have the lock on the individual, and we're going to go through the front hairline and pull them all on like this firstly. Ta-da! Now all we need to do is pull the natural hair into the lock. So to do that, we're going to open our crochet hook tool. We're going to thread into the middle of the lock, right through to the top where we're going to poke it out. Then we're going to hook our natural hair onto the latch hook and close the tool, and then pull it through. And you can see it's like completely hidden. Where is it? It's completely in the middle. And if you have hair again poking out at the end, you're just going to do it again. You're going to not really want to do more than 2 to 3 inches per time you put the tool in the middle of the lock. So feed it through, poke it through, there you go. And here we have it. Finally, I'm just going to do my baby hairs. So I have some edge control gel that I'm going to use just to gel them down as a finishing touch. Love it. Yes. Love this color. Absolutely love this hair. These locks are so soft and I had loads left. So enjoy your Boho Butterfly Locs. Any questions, let me know.